I sure do love this country we live in, and I was raised by and stood beside those who fought to keep it free. Now it's on us to pass on that freedom. I just want to take this time to show my appreciation the best way that I can. It goes like this. On a hot summer's day at a small town parade, you can smell it in the air like some fresh cut hay. Tennessee ribs with the special sauce, funnel cakes and burgers with the dogs and brats. A float passed by with the stars and stripes, with a uniformed officer shined up bright, saluting our flag with his head held high. You could see it in his eyes, that American pride. The band marched on in a forward stance, while the flag team followed in a classic dance. Balloons were released, red, white, and blue, in remembrance of the soldiers that the families knew. We support each other in the life that we live, and we help one another when we got it to give. From the moms and pops to our friends and kids, one nation under God, and that's just what it is.
We're American made, like a 4th of July day, like a veterans parade, a flag flying over a grave. We're the land of the free, like the air that we breathe, from sea to shining sea, being all we can be. We're American made.
I remember this one time, this storm came through and hit Middle Tennessee, tore up a lot of things, hurt a lot of people. But you should have seen how they came together to help fix that community. Channel 2 News, live from the scene, the aftermath of an F4 twister debris. Houses destroyed everywhere you could see, trees torn to twigs and power lines in the street. Families without shelter, water and heat, no clothes for their kids, no food to eat. People from all around came together to help rebuild lives like it happened to themselves. Volunteers worked non-stop day to night, with hopes of new beginnings and a brand new life. And with great success, the American way came through once again for a better day. No discrimination, no turning our backs on the people who need us, living under our flag. Like a man once said, and I know that it's true, you got to do unto others as you would have them do you. Cause we're
American made, like a 4th of July day, like a veterans parade, a flag flying over a grave. We're the land of the free, like the air that we breathe, from sea to shining sea, being all we can be. We're American made.
Now, I've seen my fair share of death in this life, but the most honorable display of what this country stands for, I've seen in the loss of a great American leader, a fallen hero, a leader of the best. Remembered for his work the day he was laid to rest. People came from far away to pay their respects, and one by one saluted as he passed. Family and friends all spoke their piece as he lay before the nation for the whole world to see. Kind words spoken on a man's life dream, who cared for his country the best it could be. Lifted by his soldiers to a final resting place, just a few steps away from his brother's grave. This is just a glimpse at a lifelong parade, led by a family who's American made. See, we seem to forget until it's too late to recognize the liberty in the lives of the great, who lead this great nation to a better place, where we're proud to be the American made.
We're American made, like a 4th of July day, like a veterans parade, a flag flying over a grave. We're the land of the free, like the air that we breathe, from sea to shining sea, being all we can be. We're American made.
I see it's not about what you wear or what you drive or how much money you got. It's about being a symbol of this great nation and standing up for what's right every day of our lives, and raising our children to do the same, to help preserve the freedom that makes us Americans. Now that's American made.
Last night I heard this politician talking about his brand new mission. Liked his plans, but they came undone when it got around to God and guns. I don't know how he grew up, but it sure wasn't down at the hunting club. 'Cause if it was, he'd understand just a little bit more about the working man. God and guns keep us strong. That's what this country was founded on. Well, we might as well give up and run if we let them take our God and guns. Yeah, out here in my neck of the woods where God is great and guns are good, you really can't know that much about them if you think we're better off without them. Oh, there was a time we ain't forgot. You could rest all night with your doors unlocked, but there ain't nobody safe no more. So you say your prayers and you thank the Lord for that peacemaker in the dresser drawer. God and guns keep us strong. That's what this country, Lord, was founded on. Well, we might as well give up and run if we let them take our God and guns. Yeah, we might as well give up and run if we let them take our God and guns. Yeah. Oh, God and guns.
she's popping the clutch. You see we're headed out to nowhere with no time to be back. I got a watermelon loaded down with Gentleman Jack. We got a cooler in the back and bare feet on the dash. I'm headed 95 south, the radio's on blast.
I got my bare feet on the dash. I'm rolling like I'm pure white trash. Drunk and riding shotgun while my baby, she's hauling ass.
Hauling ass, baby, hauling ass.
We got our windows rolled all the way down. Singing whiskey bent and hellbound. Ready for the summertime. Got my bare feet on the dash.
Hey Chuck, why don't you give me the guitar, baby?
I got my bare feet on the dash. I'm rolling like I'm pure white trash.
White trash.
Drunk and riding shotgun while my baby, she's hauling ass.
Haul ass, baby girl. Come on now.
We got our windows rolled all the way down.
Fine.
Singing whiskey bent and hellbound.
Yes, sir.
Ready for the summertime. Got my bare feet on the dash.
Well, we're gonna try it one more again. Here we go now. Kid Rock and Hank Jr. screaming top of our lungs. Come pour some whiskey, drinking white trash, son of a gun. Playing hard and living fast is just the way that we are. If you